Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a website on IONOS. Let's get into it. First, pick a hosting plan. The first step is to choose the type of storage space you need for your website. Different projects need different amounts of room. Go to the IONOS website and look at the different boxes that show prices and space. Click on the plan that fits your needs and follow the steps to buy that space. You need to rent a little piece of the internet to hold your pictures and words for your project. Next, sign in to your control screen. You need to log into your account so you can start putting your files into your new storage space. Type in your secret name and your password to get into your main dashboard. Look for the section that says Hosting on your main screen. This area is where you manage your files and see how much space you have left for your work. It ensures you are in the right place to start building. Next, upload your files. Now you are going to move the website you made on your computer over to your new storage space on the internet. Look for a button that says File Manager or Upload. Pick the files from your computer and click the button to send them to IONOS. This is the most important part. Once your files are moved, the computer on the internet can show them to anyone who asks. It is the key step to making your website real. Lastly, check your website. The final step is to make sure everything looks right and that the link to your website is working. Type your website name into your browser to see if your page pops up. Click on your buttons and look at your pictures to make sure they are in the right spot. It is important to see your work just like a visitor would. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To host a website in IONOS, you must first pick a hosting plan that gives you enough room for your work. Once you have your space, you sign in to your control screen to find your tools. Then you upload your files from your computer to the internet storage. Finally, you check your website by visiting the page yourself to make sure it works. This process puts your files in a safe place where the whole world can see them. This straightforward plan makes sure your website projects are live and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.